Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to sign up for Apple Beta or Beta software program, however you pronounce it, which will enable you to download public beta versions of latest Apple software like macOS, iOS and iPadOS. With the release of iOS 15 public beta 4, many might be eager to test the new OS on their devices. Open Safari in your Apple device and open the website beta.apple.com. You will see that the page loads up to this window. When you load the page from iOS, it will load automatically to the iOS selection. While using your iPad, you might have to change the selection to iPadOS. There is a chance that it might automatically load to macOS. Now, scroll down and click on the Get Started link, which will take you to another page, followed by a prompt to sign in using your Apple ID. You can use your Touch ID or Face ID. Once you've signed in, you will be redirected to the guide page. Scroll down and click on the link which says Enroll your iOS device. It's highly recommended that you take a backup of your device using iTunes or manually as per your preference. Since I'm not using my iOS device as a daily driver, I'm skipping this step. Once you've backed up, scroll down to option number 2 and click on the link which says Download Profile to download a configuration profile. Click on Allow when the prompt appears. Once downloaded, another prompt appears. Press Close and go to Settings app. Just below your name, you will see the settings which says Profile Downloaded. Click on that and install the profile by clicking on Install. You will need to enter your passcode. You will be required to restart the device. Click on Restart and let the device restart. Once it's restarted, go to Settings, General and Software Update. Now you'll see that the beta version will be available for download. Once again, please take a backup before trying out the beta version. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Until then, take care and stay safe.